Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the first episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2022. Well, to kick off my fall baking series, I'm going to share with all of y'all an amazing pumpkin bread. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of pumpkin flavor. This recipe is step by step, and everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect for the fall season. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my fall baking recipes playlist and my previous video, Peach Upside Down Cake. I'll post the link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your loaf pan, your flour, and your pumpkin puree sugar, because we're about to bake some pumpkin bread magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. And in 2-hour flour, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And I'll put a recipe to my homemade pumpkin pie spice down below in the description box. We're going to sift these together, or you can whisk them. And this recipe is all in the dump in the bowl. So now we're going to add in 1 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar, 2 extra large eggs at room temperature, 3/4 of a cup of canola oil, or you can use vegetable. Gonna make our bread nice and moist. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, which is a cupful. A half a teaspoon of pure pumpkin pie spice extract. And this is what it looked like. I found it at my local grocery store, or if you can't find it, you can always get it online. And last but not least, the star of the show, the pumpkin. We're going to add in 1 cup of puree pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. And we're going to whisk everything together until it's well combined. And how simple and easy was that? Easy peasy. Love the smell of pumpkin pie spice and pumpkin. Definitely smell like fall. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing up my batter and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends. I'm through mixing up my batter and this is what it looks like. Nice and smooth. That looks perfect. Now we're ready to pour it into our loaf pan. We're going to pour it in the 8x4-inch loaf pan that I sprayed with cooking spray and flour. Alright, here we go. Alright, my friends, so now I'm going to shake it and bang it to get the air bubbles out. Now we're ready to put this in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for an hour. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my pumpkin bread out of the oven. See how nice and golden brown that is? Smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of freshly baked bread. Alrighty, so now we're going to let our bread cool for about 10 minutes in the pan, and then I'm going to remove from the pan and place it onto my cake stand, and I cut them into slices, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Homemade pumpkin bread. Doesn't that look good? That beautiful orange color. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. And I add a little butter on top of my bread. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. Look at that. Have a bite. flavorful. I can taste the pumpkin and the pumpkin pie spice, and it's super moist. This pumpkin bread is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-oh. Pumpkin bread-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget the hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.